Fun. All right, Jayme. Unfortunately,
soaking it in,
the rain. Yeah, exactly. The rain is still falling. When are we going to finally see an end to this?
Well, it's slowly wrapping up now in our northwestern counties and communities. Ocala to Gainesville. Now we're starting to see a bit of a lull. Orlando should be next. Everything shifting and shuffling over to the east side beaches, but the skies will remain mostly cloudy. Here is a look looking more like Seattle than Orlando right now. That's for sure. Visit Orlando Tower Cam atop the Hyatt Regency Orlando. 69 degrees. Our winds from the southwest at 9. And Amy, here's a look at weather radar. You see everything northwest of this line here from interior Volusia, northern Lake County. We start to really wrap the rain up now, but that veil of clouds is very dominant, very prevalent and prominent on the satellite this morning. Down through Orlando, kind of speckled about, light to moderate showers, some of which can be quite heavy. You might get a burst, especially along the Cape area there. You can see the stuff closing in on the launch pad sites out of Canaveral. But here's that movement to the east. Everything again, southwest to northeast, aligning that way with the cold front bodily pushing off our east coast beaches. Should clear the Bahamas by later today. Here's a look at what's going on again with the satellite. A lot of cloud cover, that veil, that like real light kind of white haze. Maybe you see it on your TV screen at home, maybe you don't. It's very, very light. That's going to be on the way out through the course of the day. We'll chop a big hole into that cloud cover late tonight, clear it out, and eventually cool it down. Pretty warm right now, actually, when we look at these temperatures early this morning. The cool spots, Gainesville at 62, then widespread upper 70s and upper 60s here around Orlando. The wind shift to the north evident now at Gainesville and northwesterly Ocala. Also now beginning to infiltrate around northwestern Volusia County, but that south and southwesterly flow out ahead of the front evident now around Orlando and back across coastal Brevard County. So morning showers transfers over to mostly cloudy, mild weather today. It looks like we're going to be somewhere in the low 70s for highs, and our UV index forecast down to the moderate to low range now at about a 4. A look at our dew points. We have yet to begin any big time drying. That'll happen tonight. You could see the showers lurking about after about 1:30, closer to Vero, maybe Sebastian Inlet and Wabasso down in Indian River County, and everything off to the south and east of that with some wet skies there. But all indications are that later tonight we get the green light for some clearing and looking good. With milder midweek weather after a little brief dip, looks like the coldest air will begin to arrive in little gradual baby steps into early Wednesday morning. That's rock bottom, and then we move up from that point on. So where you live today, let's take a look at Seminole County. Solid 70s, the ongoing threat of rain through about mid-morning, and then I've got good confidence that things wrap up right around the noon hour or so, probably before that in most cases. Orlando 74 today, Christmassy 75 on the east end of Orange County, and lastly beautiful Brevard County. Melbourne and Palm Bay probably the last in line to see this rain in the viewing area, then everything moves down to the south through the course of the midday time frame by about noon and the 1 o'clock. Coming 7, bringing you again breezy, and it looks like cooler conditions tomorrow. High of 61, ample sunshine in play. 7:17 is the time.